Yep.
Are you sitting in the chair, Damien? Oh, you're gonna say. What are you guys doing? Is that silly? What are you guys doing? Kiss for Hank. Oh, that was sweet.
You're kidding. That's exactly what I said.
Oh, careful, you guys. Another kiss for Hank.
No. I thought it was a joke.
I thought it was a joke too. I thought he was just about to make a massive